playing in leaves is fun.
Until it's not. I'm gonna show you how to turn 16 bags of leaves into 1 bag of mulch using a single tool. Meet the Worx TRIVAC, a 3-in-1. You know Autumn.
Sup, losers.
Autumn can be difficult. She leaves leaves everywhere and expects you to pick up the mess. Like your millennial kid who thinks your basement is their apartment.
I'll never leave.
So you spend hours blowing, raking, bagging, crying for a minute, re-raking, more bagging, and breaking your back to clean your yard. And then trying to get rid of all these bags without looking like you're in the mob. Nothing to see here, Nancy! You're back in your house! But now there's a simple, pain-free way to take on your to-do list. The Worx TRIVAC, a 3-in-1 blower, yard vacuum, and mulcher that'll turn 16 bags of leaves into 1 bag of mulch. 16 to 1? Imagine if you could do that with bills or in-laws. Go to trivac.com to make cleaning and caring for your yard a breeze. A 70-mile-per-hour breeze!
OMG, stop!
Unlike that bulky, loud, toxic gas blower that dislocated your shoulder, the TRIVAC weighs less, comes with a comfortable strap, and uses quieter, cleaner electric power to tackle your tasks. The TRIVAC isn't just a leaf blower. It's a mind blower. Its patented motor quickly switches from a blower to a yard vac. Simply turn the knob and add the bag for mulch collection. No changing tubes, just one wide mouth that loves eating leaves. Like a vegan that doesn't annoy you. Once vacuumed up, a metal propeller chops up all your yard debris into one detachable, manageable bag of mulch gold for your garden. Mulch much, Autumn?
Is that like poop?
No, Autumn, that is gross. That is disgusting. Listen, you could buy a bulky leaf blower, a yard vacuum, rakes, brooms, dustpans, bins, bags of mulch.
Is there an app for that?
Or you can save money, save time, and get more done with the TRIVAC. You might be thinking, Autumn's only around for a few months.
Bye.
But the TRIVAC will give you a hand all year long. Hi, April.
Whatever.
In the springtime, after pruning your plants and mowing your lawn, use the TRIVAC to take care of all your unwanted trimmings and blow the grass off your mower. With 2-speed operation, you can switch from max power to something much gentler to clean up those blooming flower beds. Or maybe it's summer and you need to get your deck party ready. Clear away cobwebs and get rid of dirt, dust, and debris. Then, when the party's over, vacuum up napkins, food scraps, or confetti.
Stop yelling, just buy it.
Great idea, Summer. And when winter forces you indoors, take the TRIVAC to your workshop or garage to vacuum up sawdust or metal shavings with ease.
Mom! TRIVAC.
The TRIVAC makes yard cleanup simple. Why rake when you can blow? Why bag when you can vac? Why trash when you can mulch? Those are rhetorical questions. Like all Worx tools, the TRIVAC is simple to use, built to last, and backed by a 3-year warranty. So stop wasting your time with outdated, inefficient tools and start using this 3-in-1 yard champion to take on every season. Go to trivac.com and get your TRIVAC today.